this is an area where voters tend to vote for the right. In last year's elections, they voted for the National Front here in this part of the country. The National Front made significant scores in this part of France. So Emmanuel Macron knew he doesn't have a very large fan base in this part. So there were some tense moments when he attempted to convey his ideas and how committed he still is to bringing change to France. Yesterday, during a visit to a Renault factory, he experienced yet another one of those moments, but also for a change, he got some support. Take a listen.
We're not here to make a scene. We're here to try to succeed, okay?
We've succeeded without you, Mr. Macron. The employees have been here for 40 years. They've succeeded without you. Today, you're taking from the workers, you're taking from pensioners, Mr. Macron. You're not welcome here, Mr. Macron. I've been with Renault for 27 years. Renault feeds me, not you.
If you have the courtesy to listen, can I talk?
So there you have it, some applause for Emmanuel Macron. It's very interesting to note how determined the French president still is in conveying his message, even when some voters don't necessarily want to listen. That was the case in several stops throughout this trip. But of course, he also had a chance to speak to people, to listen to their demands. But I don't know if that's going to do anything to change Emmanuel Macron's strategy. He insists he remains committed to bringing about change, to reinventing France so this country becomes more competitive.